Well, what we can't have is the anguish of people being driven from their homes, being made worse by insurance companies dragging their feet. That's why the government has to force the insurance industry to set a clear standard for people having their temporary expenses covered and for how quickly they can expect to get the help so they can get back into their homes. There is a scheme that is being put in place to help people in at-risk areas. We've got to make sure that they're properly covered so that we don't have a situation where actually people find that insurance is just totally unaffordable for them. I'm afraid what I've heard from people here is that they feel the response was too slow, that the government was too slow to realise the seriousness of the situation facing people here, and lessons have to be learned from that. The priority now is to make sure that people are getting all the help they need and that they're getting that all-important reassurance they need around insurance. Because I've heard from people today saying that they're extremely worried that the insurance companies won't cover all of the temporary expenses that they face. So the insurance companies are starting to say, well, there's only a certain period of time that we can cover. It's really, really important that the trauma that people are facing of being driven out of their homes isn't exacerbated by insurance companies saying, we can't really cover all the expenses that you're facing. And if we're to reflect in Westminster and the House of Commons the difficulties people are facing, we've got to talk to them. That's why I'm here today meeting people who are facing issues around having been evacuated from their homes and their worries around insurance, and also, frankly, to thank the Environment Agency staff who've been doing an amazing job right here, pumping the water out and trying to help people. So I think it's right both to be here to hear people's experiences and thank the people concerned who are doing such a great job.